Hello. I actually like this thing quite a lot. The machine works well. It actually, the automated processes that you have integrated in the software have been extremely useful. We made a handrail, which faster than I could ever imagine it being done. Aside of that, it seems fairly intuitive for someone who has used 3D software. Yeah, I quite enjoy it. It's been nice. You've been nice to deal with.
Yeah.
If something goes wrong, this button.
Yeah.
Okay, that's my fault. But it's not. No problem. Better now. Is that